Hey everyone, welcome to another problem solving session with Special Maths Academy. We're still discussing the just concluded Nigerian Mathematics Olympiad, the first round, the senior category. So we've finally reached the last geometry problem in this series. So let's dive straight to the problem. Let A be a positive number. Consider the set S of all points whose rectangular coordinates x, y satisfy all the following conditions. As we have a over 2 less than or equals to x less than or equal to 2a, a over 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2a, and 2x plus 2y greater than or equals to 3a, iv s plus a greater than or equals to y, and v y plus a greater than or equals to x. Okay, so first of all, we'll just plot the first two, and then for the last three, we'll plot the lines, and then we interpret the inequality later. So let's just draw our coordinates. Y, x, okay. So let's say this is a over 2. This is a. 3a over 2. 2a. Similar thing. A over 2. A. 3a over 2. And 2a. Okay. And this point I just changed color. So the first inequality is that x is in between a over 2 and 2a. So we just draw that. Rectangular coordinates is not really anything special, just to imply that the coordinates are perpendicular to each other. So there'll be lots of rectangles, when you're plotting, the graphs. Okay. So then we'll look at so x is between a over 2 and 2a. Okay. I missed that point a bit. I still missed it again, but I think it's cool. And then y is between a over 2 and 2a. So just draw that. Okay. So next, we plot the graph 2x plus 2y equals to 3a, and then later we interpret the inequality. So to plot this graph, we look at when y is 0, x is 3a over 2. So we'll join this point. And when x is 0, y is 3a over 2 to this point. So it will be something like this. Okay. And then for the other one, x plus a greater than or equals to y. Yeah. So we just plot the graph x plus a equals to y, and then we look at it. So when x is 0, y is a. So that's this point. And when y is 0, x is minus a. So it's minus a. So we draw this, sketch this. And so one of the questions one would ask is, does it intersect here? Like, why doesn't this line, pass over the square? And so to just check that, we put the value when x is equals to a over 2. In this, we have y is equals to 3a over 2 when x is a over 2. And so that's since the 3a over 2 is less than 2a means it's going to intersect it, below it. And then another person may ask, why isn't this intersection point here inside the square? And so you just do the same thing. You solve the two simultaneous and you solve the two simultaneous equations to convince yourself that this is outside. Okay. So you can also check that this point here is going to be a. That's when x is equals to a over 2 in 2x plus 2y equals 3a. So when x is equals to a over 2, we have a plus 2y equals to 3a, and hence y is equals to a. So these are just things we can check to be sure that our diagram is a good representative of what it actually should look like. So then we plot the very last one, that is y plus a equals to x. And so we so y plus a equals to x. So let me just label this. This is x plus a equals to y. This is 2x rather. 2x plus 2y equals to 3a. Okay. And so let's plot y plus a equals to x. So you see that when y is 0, x is a. And when x is 0, y is minus a. So let's just mark that. Okay. So let's sketch that. So okay. So a good thing to check is that this point here is different from this point, and that in fact this point here is going to map to 3a over 2. This point here is going to go to a, and leave that for you to check that it's that holds. And so this is this last graph is y plus a equals to x. And then time to interpret inequalities. So we've already interpreted the first two inequalities. X is between these two lines, y is between these two lines. Okay. So now for 2x plus 2y to be greater than or equals to 3a, so let's interpret that from this line. So it means we're talking of the points above the line, okay, above the function, okay, greater than or equals to it, okay. And then for x plus a to be greater than or equals to y, we're talking of the points to the right of the line. So to the right of the line, because x plus a has to be greater than y. So we're talking of the points to the right of the line, okay. And for y plus a greater than or equals to x, we're talking of the points above the line. So talking of the points above the line. And so there we have it. So let's let me outline the shape we have. That's the shape formed by the boundary of S. So I'll use sky blue. So let's outline it. Okay, and now let's count the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so have that the number of sides is 7. So you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that'll be all for this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So goodbye, guys.